Have you deactivated your Facebook account and you're trying to reactivate it again? If you are, in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can easily reactivate your deactivated Facebook account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into it. Firstly, open up your Facebook app and log out of your current account that you're logged into, and you'll land on this login box. Now there's no steps that you need to do in order to reactivate your Facebook account. You just need to type in your credentials and log into your Facebook account, and your account will be automatically reactivated. When your account is deactivated, other people won't be able to see your account on Facebook, and once you successfully log in, your account will be activated and your profile will be again visible. So just type in your details, type in your mobile number or email address, and then type in the password of your Facebook account that you've deactivated, and then tap on login. Once you are logged in, your account will also be reactivated. So that's the quick process on how to reactivate your Facebook account. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. I'll be back with more. Until then, keep watching.